Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about media file conversion. And in today's video, I will show you on how to convert whether MP4, MKV, AVI file from media file to SRT file for easy subtitle or for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. And you open up your browser, come to the search right here and type in Riverside fm.fm. So click on enter. That's going to take you to this particular official web page right here. Next thing you want to do here is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. You can see all the tools on this site right here. Continue to scroll down. 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 Scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to the bottom right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on transcription. So until you get to the bottom of the site right here, go ahead and click on transcription captions right here. So click on that. Then here you go, audio and video transcription. What you need to do right here is to click on transcribe now. Then go ahead and click on this plus sign right here to upload your file. Then click on photo and video. Then proceed to video on your gallery. Then here, select the video you would like to use right. So I'm going to use this particular video right here, Windows shortcut, click on it. Upload the file, go ahead and click on I'm a Human. Then just like so, then you can scroll down right here. So you have what would you like to transcribe. So go ahead and click on here. Then scroll down right here. And make sure you click on video contents or whatever is applicable to you. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and choose caption. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on start transcribing. Successfully done. You can see everything right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on download right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to download SRT file.